What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be testing out the Insta360 One R 360 camera that I borrowed from my boy Caleb, aka Yas Another M4 on Instagram. Make sure you guys give him a follow. I actually asked him to borrow this to help me out with my flame tune video, but I thought I'd give you guys a little POV with my updated exhaust setup. So I'm on the way to the gas station now. I'm gonna fill up a little bit because my gas light's on, and then we're gonna get into this video. Comment down below how much gas is in your state. It is 470, 468 here in Florida. Not too bad, I guess, compared to California. All right, we're back in the car now, and this is what we are working with today. We got a 3 suction cup mount that's gonna go on the windshield on the back, and then it's like a little selfie stick connected to that. So again, huge shout out to Caleb for letting me borrow this. This is the 1R edition. There's 2 180-degree cameras on both sides, as you guys can see here. I think it's super sleek, super dope, just like a GoPro. But you guys have seen 360 footage, especially on the back of a car. It looks like you're in like Forza or Need for Speed, so hopefully we get some dope footage for you guys today. The main purpose of this video is not for the flame tune. That is actually coming soon. It's actually to show you guys that I have my shift setting in D3 now. So that drone that I had at 2K in my exhaust video is now negated. It basically keeps the RPM range above 2K where the RAS and the drone is, and then it'll shift around like 3200, 3100 depending on the gear set. So basically it keeps it above 2K, which honestly makes the driving experience so much better because it gets rid of that weird RAS that I got from these downpipes. I'm also gonna try to get some flames on this run, so we'll see what I put into this video, or might save it for the next one. But as always, F80 ho, thank you guys for clicking on this video. I'm gonna head to Orlando, Mexico, yet again. Yo, this footage turns out sick. I'm definitely copping a 360 camera, so. But make sure you guys give Caleb a follow for me. He is the track warrior in our friend group. His M4 is an absolute beast. We're actually gonna be doing a feature film on his car as soon as we can. He's always busy with track events and other stuff with work, so as soon as we can, we're gonna do a feature film on his car, get a ride along with his upgraded turbo, fully built M4. It's a straight race car, also tuned by F80 Paul, so stay tuned for that. All right, here is the setup. Sorry for any wind noise. We got the suction cup mount. We got 3 of them. Thing is rock solid. It's not going anywhere. And hopefully the footage turns out sick. But here we go. Test and tune. Run number 1 with the Insta360 One R. Alright, just did a couple test and tune hits. Causing a ruckus in my neighborhood. Oh shit. Yeah, cars are flying by like, what the fuck? Alright, it's a little darker now. I have the GoPro set up on the back. So hopefully the audio will come through a little better. The video's coming soon. Full flame review. The audio doesn't do it justice. A menace, bro. So obnoxious, but fuck it. Hopefully the footage turns out sick. It got a little darker, so this actually might just turn into a Flame Tune 360 video. Who the frick knows, but I'm gonna do one more round up and down this road right here, and then maybe get some standing rest for you guys of the flames at night. Hopefully they look sick, and then we're gonna call it a day. All right, just for the vlog, got the rear camera on, gonna do a little rev right here. You guys can see the flame in that one, but it was loud. We are back in the neighborhood now. That is enough hooning around for the day. Hopefully the 360 footage turns out sick. Hopefully we can get a clip for Instagram or something dope. But I'm gonna go home and review it now. Hopefully it turns out good. Otherwise, we're gonna have to do this again tomorrow. And this video is probably not gonna come out till later, so fingers crossed. Stay tuned. Yo, you got the zoomies. You hyper, boy. Give me some. Oh yeah, give me some, give me some. We are back in the garage now. You guys just saw some footage. Overall, the 360 camera, i360, the One R is super dope. As you guys can see, like halfway through the video, I was like just playing around with like just the settings. It's absolutely insane. It's just mind blowing how it works. But the 360 camera is super dope. I might cop one in the future. It reminds me of using a GoPro, and I just hate like using GoPros and using the app and stuff like that. It's just always glitchy and laggy. So I don't know. I like the camera setups that I have now. I tried my best to get like the third person Forza Need for Speed point of view while driving, but I actually need a longer selfie stick attached to the suction cup mount in order to get that full frame, full rear view. So that's why you guys saw the footage like kind of just super close to the trunk or like super high over the roof. It's because the selfie stick wasn't long enough to just get the whole rear. Obviously I had a fun time filming this video. It wasn't supposed to be like a Flame Tune reveal or anything, but it ended up being just a 360 camera F80 Paul Flame Tune mix match together. whatever footage I could throw together, I made a video for you guys. So I'm still trying to stick to 2 videos a week, and we're sticking to that grind. So drop a like if you like the ramp up in videos this year. But thank you guys for watching. That's gonna wrap it up for this one. Again, shout out to Caleb for letting me borrow this camera. This is not gonna be the last time you guys see this. I'm actually gonna use it again this weekend, try to get some better angles, better POVs for you guys. But we're gonna play around with it a little more and try to get some cool clips or something for Instagram. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys hit that like button, that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care, peace.